Roughly 3 days passed since the Russian Federation warned Romania, a NATO member country, regarding the permission of Ukrainian aircraft within its airspace and regarding the use of its airport by Ukrainian aircraft. And we're witnessing another delicate situation. 4 Ukrainian helicopters have entered Romania heading towards Brasov, the factory in Gimbov. The Ukrainian authorities requested of the Romanian side diplomatic approvals to fly over the final destination, Gimbov, in the Brasov County, for a number of 4 helicopters in order to carry out maintenance operations at Airbus Helicopters Romania, according to active contracts. Authorities did not deny this event, stating that the 4 helicopters are civilian and not military, and that they entered the Romanian airspace, NATO Airspace, according to a plan made before February 24, 2022. Let's not forget the previous event where a Sukhoi 27 plane of the Ukrainian Air Force landed at a NATO airport in Baku without presenting any technical problems. Let's also not forget the event in which the Russian Federation warns Romania.
Вместе с тем, нам достоверно известно об украинских боевых самолетах, ранее перелетевших в Румынию и другие приграничные страны. Обращаем внимание, что использование аэродромной сети этих стран для базирования украинской боевой авиации с последующим применением против российских вооруженных сил может расцениваться как вовлечение данных государств в вооруженный конфликт.
Really, under these conditions, 4 civilian helicopters painted dark green with specific military insignia on their tails now during the war stop at Gimbov, the air weapons factory, and not only for maintenance. Why here? Why take a civilian helicopter to a military helicopter factory? Lots of questions to be raised here. Isn't it time to take into account the warnings of the Russian Federation regarding some actions of the NATO member states? Please subscribe to the channel.